This is the structure of strategy pattern. We will see how this is implemented in C# source. Here is the class context. It has data member strategy of type strategy class. Here is the property strategy for setting and getting the value of a strategy. Here is the method context interface. Inside this method, it calls the method algorithm interface of strategy object. Here is the abstract class strategy. It has abstract method algorithm interface. Here is the class concrete strategy A derived from class strategy. It overrides the method algorithm interface and it executes the algorithm for concrete strategy A. Here is the class concrete strategy B derived from class strategy. It overrides the method algorithm interface and here it executes the algorithm for concrete strategy B. Here is the class concrete strategy C derived from class strategy. It overrides the method algorithm interface and here inside this it executes the algorithm for concrete strategy C. Let's see the main. Here it's creating the object for context and here it's creating the concrete strategy A object and this statement it's setting the data member strategy with concrete strategy A object and here it calls the context interface method of context. So right now strategy is context strategy A object. So when it calls the context interface method of context, which in turn call the algorithm interface of strategy. Right now strategy is concrete strategy A object. So it comes here and it executes the algorithm here. Here it displays this statement. Similarly here it creates the concrete strategy B object. It sets the data member strategy with this concrete strategy B object. It calls the context interface method of context, which in turn call the algorithm interface method of a strategy, which is concrete strategy B object. So it comes here and it executes the algorithm and here it displays this statement. Similarly here it creates the concrete strategy C object. It sets the context strategy data member with this object and calls the context interface, which in turn call the algorithm interface method of concrete strategy C and executes the algorithm and displays this statement. We'll run this program and we will see the output. So we can see when this is called, it goes into the concrete strategy A algorithm interface method. When this one is called, it goes into the concrete strategy B algorithm interface method. And when this one is called, it goes into concrete strategy C algorithm interface method.